I think she's confused. She doesn't know what is the right path, what is right anymore. Because something that you believe in, two people that you love the most and who matter the most to you, they've been brutally taken away from you. So kahin na kahin wo aapka, your goals change, your priorities change. And when your goals and priorities change, your journey changes. Your earrings are lovely.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. तो चलो शुरू करें.
बिल्कुल.
ये खून का दाग है गोलू, एक बार लगा तो छूटेगा नहीं.
लग जाए हमें कोई परवाह नहीं, और दुश्मन हाथ लगे तो बचेगा नहीं.
Tell me a little about your character's transformation in Mirzapur. Golu was this really ambitious girl, and now she's holding a gun.
This journey for me as an actor, it's been extremely satisfying. But Golu as a character, she was very difficult to get hold of. Because she's complicated, she's complex, and she was not like that in season 1. Golu season 2, she's a very headstrong girl who is challenging her own beliefs. And I think that has happened because sometimes you're put in situations where you don't know what to do. And your gut, your instinct, your knowledge, your experience, everything fails you. And that is what happened with her at the end of season 1, the climax. And in season 2, I think she's confused. She doesn't know what is the right path, what is right anymore. Because something that you believe in, two people that you love the most and who matter the most to you, they've been brutally taken away from you. So kahin na kahin wo aapka, your goals change, your priorities change. And when your goals and priorities change, your journey changes.
जो पीछे रह जाते.
एक बात कहें, हम में से कोई रोया भी नहीं अब तक.
जिंदा तो रह लें, फिर रोएंगे.
औरत चाहे चंबल की हो या पूर्वांचल की, आप अगर गन उठाइए तो मतलब दिक्कत में है.
I read somewhere that this is the first time you're holding a gun for a series. So how was that experience?
It was a different experience. I don't want my life to be anything like Golu's. I think it's the further we stay away from guns and violence, the better it is, because there's nothing positive that can come out of it, is what I believe in. Even the learning of it, मतलब मुझे कुछ मजा नहीं आया. मुझे action gun में बहुत मजा आया, but ऐसा नहीं है कि gun चलाने में मजा आया. Gun चलाने, in fact, it's so loud. It's not soothing to the ears. तुम्हें लगता है रे तुम्हें चोट ना लग जाए. So if anything at all, but obviously it had to be done for the character. And I want to learn different things as my character. I think if I'm an actor, that's one of the best things that, like in Lakhon Mein Ek season 2, I got to play a doctor. Here I'm picking up a gun. In Gone Kesh, I played the role of this girl who has alopecia. So I think that is the best part about being an actor, that we get to experience things and emotions that we wouldn't have otherwise in our lives.
What is Shweta's acting process like? Because every character that you choose is completely different and it's difficult. I mean, even Golu for that matter, that scene where you had to masturbate, what do you do inside your head to get into that character?
That was the most boring scene to perform, because usme it was as simple as having coffee. क्योंकि if you notice that scene, वो पूरा camera work में जो VO है वो सब कुछ है. So there is a lot more that makes a scene than just, obviously performances are very important. I would always say that, being an actor. But it's the music, it's the way it's been shot, it's the dialogues. It is the dialogues ki what is being said in those dialogues. Also how it's being said. So that scene was just a no-brainer actually. मतलब वो तो कुछ भी नहीं था. That was the easiest scene to do in Mirzapur. Because sometimes it's a body language also, once you get that right. So you don't always have to think about it emotionally. Sometimes, yes, you do. That's why it takes a toll also. But every character ka process is different. Because सारे characters की complexities are different.
You must be missing the old characters, and in this season you're working with a lot of new ones. So how was that experience?
The old characters had to go for the season to go on. But I definitely missed Vikrant and Shreya. But I think more than that, I missed Bablu and Sweetie.
True.
So that also, and also that last episode ka climax, I have relived it so many times, because season 2 was all about that. It's all about the revenge. It's all about the fury that that is being fueled by what Munna did.
Yeah.
Then again, it's not always any एक person are doing. वो ultimate चीज मुन्ना ने की. But I think as a society, it's very important to understand why did he get there? How did he get there? And if we want to clean up, if we want to make a change in ourselves and in the society, I think it's very important to realize that you need to, वो root में problem है. Munna, I think Mirzapur is a story about relationships. It's a story about bonds. It's a story about two brothers. It's about a father and son. And I'm really hoping that in season 2, people see beyond the violence and the guns, and they understand on a more humane level, on a more, they understand the characters. Not that what they do should not be discussed as much as why are they doing what they're doing.
True. But how do you go about selecting your movies? I mean, each one is an amazing process for you. So how do you go about, what runs in that head?
I think हम लोगों को लगता है कि ये हमारी choices हैं, but I really think that it is our upbringing. On my behalf, on my personal thing, it is purely instinct. When I'm reading something, if I get excited, I know it's a yes. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि पढ़ के नहीं यार मजा नहीं आया पर करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. नहीं. It's mostly there is something. There will always be either, it could be the director, it could be the makers, it could be the script or the character, but there should be something which says yes.
Does Slow Cheetah get into the process?
Cheetah is definitely involved in the process with all my highs and lows. He's my anchor. He's the one who keeps me grounded. He's my problem solver. If there's any good news or any small news, he's the first one who gets to know that. And if there's something that makes me cry or which is irritating me, or if I'm hungry, he's the first person I go to because he's my favorite person in the world. And he's a rapper, and sometimes when he's writing and he narrates, I'm like, where do you get all these thoughts from? Because they're so beautiful. And what is really great is that we are each other's critics, but we are also each other's biggest fans.
That is so awesome. And you need somebody like that in your life, honestly, your own personal cheerleader. How has OTT platforms changed the way we look at movies these days?
OTT has made it very accessible. Also now the competition is not just with what is happening in your country. The content, मतलब वो Spain से भी आ रहा है, there are so many people who are watching Korean dramas these days, including my parents. So now your competition is, वो मैदान खुल गया है. तो आप सिर्फ limited चीज नहीं देख रहे हो. The world is unlimited. The supply is unlimited and the quality has gone up. So now you know that you need to step it up because you want people's attention. And series is a big commitment. Season 1 was 9 episodes. Mirzapur season 2 is 10 episodes. That's almost like 9 hours of content. So agar you need to deliver, because if people are bored, people are going to switch. So what I love about OTT is that right from Boston to Bihar, people can watch it on the small screens, big screens, TV screens. Also, the characters are not dry cleaned anymore. They're the idea of perfect, that idea of hero. कि सब कुछ अच्छा करता है, सब कुछ नहीं, because ऐसे लोग ही नहीं हैं हमारी society में.
What is Shweta's real preference? I mean, OTT or the 70mm screen where people are watching you?
I would like to do both because that feel to see yourself on the big screen, that is what we dreamed of. बड़े होते हुए जब हम सिनेमा हॉल जाते थे, जब हम माधुरी दीक्षित और श्रीदेवी को देखते थे, that was cinema for us. Also, that experience of community watching, that is very exciting. तो आई थिंक बड़े पर्दे का अपना एक जो फील होती है वो बड़े पर्दे की होती है, एंड जो रीच होती है वो ओटीटी की. सो आई वुड ऑलवेज वांट टू डू नॉट जस्ट दिस, आई वुड लव टू डू ऑडिबल जैसे होता है जो Amazon का है, या फिर रेडियो प्लेज or be it stage. So I want to explore as much as possible. I don't want to limit myself to a medium or a platform or a language.
We would love to watch you in anything that you do. How has COVID been for you? It's been a tough time for the entire world, but how is it for you? What did you do? Did you hate it or did you like it?
It was personally not too bad for me, though the news and everything that was happening and the kind of updates that we were getting, it was very disheartening. Everything, there was so much negativity. It was literally कि भाई window बंद करके रखो क्योंकि window खोलोगे तो there is just so much hate around in the world. But which made me realize that it's so important to hold on to that silver lining, no matter how thin or thick it might be. you have to celebrate the smaller joys in life. And I got to spend a lot of time with my family. Over here, my in-laws, I stay with my mother-in-law, father-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, and my husband, of course. And it's a fun bunch. It's a madhouse. So we used to play games after dinner every night. We used to play cards or code names as this other game, or Uno. So there were always games. Ghar pe khana kya ban raha hai? That was the most, important thing. I tried cooking. I failed miserably. I could not even make cold coffee. It was quite a disaster. So I did not binge watch a lot. First, I felt the pressure of social media when I saw everybody's making pastas and making coffees and freezing ice creams. But then I realized that it is a big deal when you make it a big deal. Do what makes you happy. If that is you don't want to do anything at home, if you want to read a book, if you don't want to read a book, if you want to binge watch, it's all up to you. Because only when we take care of ourselves can we take care of others, and we can take care of the world. And there is a lot of taking care of the world which is required now. So, but thankfully I had Raat Akeli Hai. Then there's this entire series called The Gone Game, which was shot at home, in this home, shot by my husband, all my scenes. Then there was Cargo, and now there's Mirzapur. So lockdown mein itne releases ho gaye jo meri ek saal mein kabhi nahi hua hai. So that way, on a professional front also, I can't complain. In fact, a friend of mine, she called up, she's also an actor, and she said, listen, yeah, I feel damn happy, but I feel damn envious also. And wo Cargo ke time she called, she said, I thought ki isme bhi Shweta nahi ho sakti hai. And she said, I'm so happy for you. So it feels nice that to have your work out there, your work being appreciated, it feels amazing.
What is the first thing you'll do after COVID ends, when world comes back to being normal?
Hug everybody. I think the world needs a hug. Everybody is just, there's so much turmoil, there's so much, people are overreacting, people are not understanding. So I think it's time to give a hug to everybody. Like, we've got this. We need to do this not only for ourselves, but we need to do this for our society, for our country, for the entire world. Because if there's something that which needs to be spread, it's not the virus, it's not negativity. It should be hope. It should be happiness. It should be love.
And my final question to you would be, now that the climate in Bollywood is a little strange, personally, have you ever felt any cases of favoritism or nepotism or anything like that?
I think it's human nature to be biased. Everybody is biased. My experience in Bombay, my experience in the industry has been fabulous. I have only got love and respect, not only from my audience, but also from the people that I've worked with, right? From Anurag Kashyap to Guneet Monga to Excel now, Amazon, Netflix. These people, I know they've got my back. And I couldn't have asked for anything more. Even my cast and crew, there is so much mutual respect which is required. And it's very easy to point fingers, it's very easy to shame somebody. But I think it's also very important to take a step back. And entertainment industry is not the essential, we don't make it to the essentials list, but of course we are in the news, our personal lives are in the news. And all I want to say is that what we do professionally as a job, that's entertainment, not our personal lives, not anybody's personal lives. And Badshah in his song, he said this, that मैं public figure हूँ, public property नहीं. And that is true. I totally relate to that. That come on, yeah, we need to respect each other. We need to respect each other's space and privacy, and let's not make it dirty. The world, the global warming से डूब रही है दुनिया. वो छोड़ के हम ये सब बातें कर रहे हैं जिससे कि किसी को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. किसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि किसके घर में क्या हो रहा है?
Absolutely.
But there is so much domestic violence which we'll not talk about. But we want to talk about Bollywood and the bad things that happen in Bollywood. Which industry, मतलब कहाँ ये नहीं होता है, कहाँ nepotism नहीं होता है, कहाँ दारू नहीं होती, कहाँ drugs नहीं होते. So I mean, I think it's high time we focus on the right things, because there are a lot of other things which need our attention and which need to be spoken about.
Thank you so much, Shweta. This was wonderful. Loved it. Thank you so much, and all the very best for Mirzapur.
Thank you. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.